So in exercise 14.1, question number 1 is telling here you have to draw a circle with radius 3.2. So for that what we will do, we have to find the radius first, because किसी radius के बिना circle को draw करना possible नहीं है. So what we have done it, I have taken a radius 3.2 and I have drawn a line segment with the measurement of 3.2 centimeters. After drawing this, I have given the name OS. I will put my compass here and the needle will be on O. The needle will be on O, and another end पे क्या रहेगा आपका pencil, and start drawing like this. ठीक है. Now you also draw it. Just time, but done. So in question number 2, it was telling with the same center you have to draw two circles, one with radius 4 centimeter and another with radius 2.5 centimeters. So for that, I have drawn a circle with 4 centimeter radius. Now you can see I have opened my compass of 2.5 centimeter radius with the help of compass or ruler as well. ठीक है. अब now what I will do, center होना चाहिए same. तो मैं क्या करूंगी, I will put my needle on O only. निडल रहेगी O पे और मेरा जो कंपास है वो ओपन है 2.5 तक के लिए. So I will put my compass needle on O and I will draw a circle now without changing the position. Center will be same and I will be drawing the circle like this. ठीक है. You also draw this. Done. This is the figure for question number 2. So for question number 3, it is telling that you have to draw a circle. Radius was not given in it, so I have drawn it by freehand by taking any of the radius from it. And the question is telling now you have to draw two diameters. So diameter can be taken anywhere. So I have taken this diameter और एक और diameter ले लेते हैं. So I am taking another one, its diameter. मैंने ये दो ले लिए. I took two diameters. ठीक है. I'm giving the name A, B as one diameter, C, D as one diameter. So I took it two diameter as the question was telling here. Now the question is telling you have to told I was in कोई बात नहीं, I'm telling. The question is telling that you have to draw a circle and it should, the measurement was not given. So I have drawn a circle by freehand, that without taking any measurement of any radius, I took it just randomly. After drawing the circle, it is telling you have to draw two diameters. So I took it two diameters. I have taken two diameters. ठीक है. And diameter can be taken according to you also. Like मैंने ऐसा बनाया, जरूरी नहीं है कि आप भी ऐसा बनाओ. ठीक है. You can make any form of diameter. And उसके बाद you have to mark those 4 points. It's A, this is D, this is B, and this is C. And join all four with the help of scale. Like I am also joining, you also join it. First one I joined. Then I am joining the second one. Then I am joining the third one. And then I am joining the fourth one. I have drawn. Now you also draw and join all together. Now when you join all the ends of this diameter, you will get either rectangle or you will get a square. Like in our class only, somebody is getting square, somebody is getting rectangle. Reason behind, जिन्होंने diameter को कोई भी random 2 diameter ली हैं, they are getting the rectangle. जिन्होंने diameter को perpendicular लिया है, you can see I have taken the perpendicular diameter. Shrishti Rani has also taken the perpendicular diameter. So जिन्होंने diameter perpendicular लिया है, they are getting the square, and who have taken like they are having the like gapping between them, they are getting the rectangle. So both the figures are absolutely correct. Okay, if you will get the diameter perpendicularly, you will get a square, and if you will get that randomly any two diameter, you will get a rectangle. So both the figures are absolutely correct. Now let's turn to question number 4. It is telling draw any circle and mark point A, B, C such that A is on the circle, A is on the circle, B is in interior of circle, we have drawn it, and C is in the exterior of the circle. C should be in exterior of the circle, and this is you mark as a center. You must be taking any radius of it, so you have to draw the circle in such a way that when you will take it any radius, तो radius लेने की जरूरत नहीं है, आपने पहले से draw कर चुका. So if you want to draw it, it's fine, but कुछ ना कुछ center तो जरूर होगा, so that we have taken it. Now you have to take point number A in such a way that it should be on the circle. Point number B should be in interior of circle. तो interior में आप कहीं भी ले सकते हो. I have marked it here. You can take it anywhere. And then point number C, it should be on exterior. तो exterior पे भी बेटा बहुत बड़ा portion है. You can take it anywhere in exterior. So A, B, C, you have to mark the point in such a way. Question number 5 में it is telling you have to draw two circles with same radius. तो मैं क्या कर रही हूँ बेटा, सबसे पहले मैं draw कर रही हूँ 4 centimeters radius के लिए. So I have drawn 4 centimeter radius. And एक का नाम लिया center A because question में बोल रहा था it should be a center A. So I have taken the center A and now I'm going to draw a circle with center A. Now you can see that I have drawn a circle with radius 2 centimeter. ठीक है, I have drawn a circle with radius 2 centimeter here. Now the question is telling that you have to draw another circle with same radius, but you have to draw the circle in such a way that second circle should pass the center of another circle now. Okay, that it is passing both the center, you can see it here. I have taken this radius, इतना radius लिया था मैंने, ठीक है, AB को mark किया था, mark करते हुए I have drawn the circle this way, ठीक है, and draw करने के बाद दोनों के दोनों सर्कल जिस पॉइंट पे कट कर रहे हैं, पहला नंबर पॉइंट नंबर सी, सेकेंड पॉइंट नंबर डी, जहां पर सर्कल कट कर रहा है, एंड देन इट इज टेलिंग यू हैव टू जॉइन दीज पॉइंट्स सी एंड डी, and you have to tell that whether these both are meeting at right angles or not. Now this answer you will give it to me, that whether they are meeting at right angles or not, yes or no. Could be yes, they are meeting at right angles. Finished. So this exercise number 1 is finished.